How to add the drop shadow to text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the text. Then go to the edit page and drag the text plus title from the effects library into your timeline above your video clip. Now click on the text plus layer in the timeline to select it and open the inspector on the top right side. Under the setting tab, you will find options to customize the appearance of your text. Next, enable a new setting element by switching to element 3. Then, check the enabled box. Now you will see a drop shadow appear behind your text. You can adjust the shadow's position using the offset X and offset Y sliders. For more depth, increase the softness and reduce the opacity if the shadow looks too dark. You can also change the color of the shadow to match your design. Once you are happy with how it looks, you can play back your timeline to make sure the text and shadow fit well with your video. You can always come back and tweak the settings if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add drop shadow to text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.